Oh, hi guys. Yep, really, I'm really happy to introduce myself to you. And I'm Sergi, and you know, I want to really tell you that to become programmer I think, is very easy. First steps to programming is like, you just need 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and you will be like on the first step. On the first step, and in every activity that you can imagine in your brain, your mind. The first step is just to try. And today we are going to try this thing, programming. And the first thing, when you just want to become a programmer, you just want to just understand, for example, how to become a programmer. You just try to Google, yep, you just try to understand what's going on. Oh, okay. Let's try. How to become a prof? Become. Oh my God. How to become a programmer? Yup. How to become a programmer? Okay. What will we say? Define your timeline, get the education you need, choose your specialization and path, build your portfolio, expand your skills with certification, overview of in-demand programming skills. But, yeah, I know that all this thing, it's like, it's true. Yeah, it is really true. Yeah, it's the correct steps, but what does it mean in real life? In real life. Yeah, but I know that first question that you will ask yourself, what language to choose for programming, because when you want to become programmer, you just we can understand that there are a lot of languages: JavaScript, Java, Python, and C Sharp and C++ and others. And what language you will choose to become like a professional programmer, because I think you know that every professional programmer, they can programming, they know one or two languages, not all languages, so you need to choose language. But when you will become learning, when you will start learning, or you will understand that every language, like not at the beginning of your path, but when you will mm, when you will learn and then work, and then you will be a professional programmer, you will understand that there is not so big difference among programming languages. They are all like the same. They have the same base rules. They have the same like basement of some patterns that you need to know. And every programming language, you have variables, you have conditions, you have loops, you have classes. I think you have methods in every language. And as I think, for the first step, the best choose you can make is to choose JavaScript. Why JavaScript? I think, or no, just I think. I will explain you and I will show you. Okay, I am in google.com. Yep, doodle. Okay, and what does it mean? That means that I can open browser. That I already open browser, and I can just click my right button, inspect, and I will see some new window. Yep. And here I have console. Here I have console too. And I can write here something. Yeah, I can write here something. And if I will begin to write some real code, let's try to run this command. Pow. And we have here the result of this program. You know, JavaScript is quite an easy language because it's the easiest language you can start with, because you just need to open browser. Absolutely all browsers are like possible to make something like this. You can just I have just new tab, no something else. Inspect. Here I have inspector, but also I have console, and here I can input some command. For example, alert. And here's what I have. That is new window, new model window. Alert is like command that will show you new model window. If I will like input console log 1 2 3, what I will have? I will have output 1 2 3. That is what console log make. It make output into console. And if you just want to make some different like real shit, like I will create a variable. I will create, for example, I don't know. Let's take some loop. For example, let's say something like this. Okay, that is just a real program. First line, second line, and 2 more lines. And I will say name plus equal like some new, let's say just this sign, okay, this sign, okay. And at the end, on the 5th step, I will alert name. What will be in our new model? I will just input enter. I will type enter, and what I will see? I will see string Sergey that we were that was here on the first line. Yep, Sergey. But next, I see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is like 10 signs more than this string. So this is 5 lines program, real program, and no other languages can be running a browser so fast, so simple. No one language, no Python can't do this. Okay, C# can do this, C++ can do this, PHP can't do this. No language, no one language can do this. Only JavaScript gives you such opportunities that you can write this code just in your browser. You don't need nothing. You just in Python and other languages you need some compiler, some other programs, some other things to install to your computer to begin. In JavaScript you don't need anything. You just need to open your browser, and I think if you're watching this video you already have browser. So this is first video, and I tried to explain you why JavaScript is the best choice for your start. So in next videos we will try to understand basic concepts like variable or some JavaScript syntaxes or some other things that are very important to start. But starting from this point, I think now you understand it. This is your choice. If you are a beginner, this is your choice. If you just want to start and to make very fast your path to in your career, JavaScript is like the best. So let's start.